What is your job? What is your job? Akazi kawe ni akahe? Akazi kawe ni akahe? I am a cleaner. Ndi umukozi w'isuku. I am a cleaner. Ndi umukozi w'isuku. Hello, welcome back to HC English and Kinyarwanda TV. Muraho murakaza neza nanone kuri YouTube channel ya HC English Kinyarwanda TV. Turahaye ikaze. Kuri TV. Yes, ni njyewe. Oh, let me hug you. And then I feel like, oh my gosh, these are my family. That's the love I got from you guys. It's a lot of love. I feel so amazed when I meet any of my subscribers. Guys, I don't take you as my subscribers, okay? You are my family, you are my friends, okay? Whenever you see me, hug me. Love you. What's your favorite fruit? Ni irihe tunda ukunda? What's your favorite fruit? Ni irihe tunda ukunda? My favorite fruit is strawberry. Itunda nkunda ni inkeri. My favorite fruit is strawberry. Itunda nkunda ni inkeri. Who broke this table? Ninde wamennye aya meza? Who broke this table? Ninde wamennye aya meza? Your grandson broke this. Umwuzukuru wawe yarayamennye. Your grandson broke this. Umwuzukuru wawe yarayamennye. Whose friend is he? Ni inshuti yande. Whose friend is he? Ni inshuti yande. He is my friend. Ni inshuti yanjye. He is my friend. Ni inshuti yanjye. When will they arrive? Bazahagera ryari? When will they arrive? Bazahagera ryari? They will be alive at 4 p.m. Bazahagera saa 10 z'umugoroba. They will be alive at 4 p.m. Bazahagera saa 10 z'umugoroba. Where did you go? Wagiye hehe? Where did you go? Wagiye hehe? I went to school. Nagiye ku ishuri. I went to school. Nagiye ku ishuri. How am I looking? Ndi kugaragara gute? How am I looking? Ndi kugaragara gute? You are looking so handsome today. Umeze neza cyane. You are looking so handsome today. Uri kugaragara neza cyane uyu munsi. Can you share your success? Can you share your success? Urashobora kudusangiza intsinzi yawe. Can you share your success? Urashobora kudusangiza intsinzi yawe. When are you available? Uraboneka ryari? When are you available? Uraboneka ryari? I am available in 10 minutes. Ndaboneka mu minota 10. I am available in 10 minutes. Ndaboneka mu minota 10. Where are you? Urihe? Where are you? Urihe? I am at home now. Ubu ndi mu rugo. I am at home now. Ubu ndi mu rugo. What happened? What happened? Habaye iki? What happened? Habaye iki? I am sick. I am sick. Ndarwaye. I am sick. Ndarwaye. What did they say? Bavuze ngo iki? What did they say? Bavuze ngo iki? They said we will go tomorrow. They said we will go tomorrow. Baravuze ngo tuzagenda ejo. Baravuze ngo tuzagenda ejo. How much is this? How much is this? Iki nangahe? How much is this? Iki nangahe? It is 500. Ni 500. It is 500. Ni 500. What is your job? What is your job? Akazi kawe ni akahe? Akazi kawe ni akahe? I am a cleaner. Ndi umukozi w'isuku. I am a cleaner. Ndi umukozi w'isuku. What is your job? What is your job? Akazi kawe ni akahe? What is your job? Akazi kawe ni akahe? I am a teacher. Ndi umwigisha. Ndi umwigisha. I am a teacher. Ndi umwigisha. How far is it to the airport? Ni kure bingana iki ku kibuga cy'indege? How far is it to the airport? Ni kure bingana iki ku kibuga cy'indege? It's about 20 minutes. Ni nk'iminota 20. It's about 20 minutes. Ni nk'iminota 20. How far is it to the airport? Ni kure bingana iki ku kibuga cy'indege? How far is it to the airport? Ni kure bingana iki ku kibuga cy'indege? What are you watching now? Uri kureba iki ubu ngubu? What are you watching now? Uri kureba iki ubu ngubu? I am watching my favorite film. Ndi kureba filime nkunda. I am watching my favorite film. Ndi kureba filime nkunda. Why are you looking confident? Kubera iki ufite akanyamuneza? Why are you looking confident? Kubera iki ufite akanyamuneza? I passed my exam. Natsinze ikizamini cyanjye. I passed my exam. Natsinze ikizamini cyanjye. I passed my exam. Natsinze. Ntabwo rwose ndatsinze. Natsinze. I passed. Why are you lashing today? Why are you lashing today? Why are you lashing today? Kubera iki uri kwihuta uyu munsi? Why are you lashing today? Kubera iki uri kwihuta uyu munsi? Because I am going to teach today. Because I am going to teach today. Ndi kwihuta kubera ndi bwigishe uyu munsi. Ndi kwihuta kubera ndi bwigishe uyu munsi. Where is the book? Where is the book? Igitabo kiri hehe? Igitabo kiri hehe? The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Igitabo kiri ku meza. Igitabo kiri ku meza. Are they going alone? Are they going alone? Bagiye bonyine? Bagiye bonyine? Yes, they are going alone. Yego, bagiye bonyine. Yes, they are going alone. Bagiye bonyine. Why is he crying? Why is he crying? Ni ukubera iki ari kurira? Ni ukubera iki ari kurira? Who is dancing? Who is dancing? Ninde uri kubyina? Ninde uri kubyina? My friend is dancing. My friend is dancing. Inshuti yanjye iri kubyina. Inshuti yanjye iri kubyina. Are you ready to go to church? Are you ready to go to church? Uriteguye kujya ku rusengero? Uriteguye kujya ku rusengero? Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. Yego, nditeguye. Yego, nditeguye. Can you help me to push my car? Can you help me to push my car? Ese ushobora kumfasha gusunika imodoka yanjye? Ese ushobora kumfasha gusunika imodoka yanjye? Yes, I can help you to push your car. Yes, I can help you to push your car. Yego, nshobora kugufasha gusunika imodoka yawe. Yego, nshobora kugufasha gusunika imodoka yawe. Yes, you may. Yes, you may. Yego, ushobora. Yego, ushobora. May I take you a picture? May I take you a picture? Nshobora kugufata ifoto. Nshobora kugufata ifoto. May I take you a picture? May I take you a picture? Nshobora kugufata ifoto. Where is she going? Where is she going? Agiye hehe?